I'm Sherri Stastny, and I'm faculty in health, nutrition, and exercise sciences. I get to work with nutrition and dietetic students who run a restaurant called the 800 Café. The students came up with the name because every meal is 800 calories or less. The mission, the teaching mission of the 800 Café is to afford students an opportunity to lead. So students get to plan, lead, control, they get to negotiate, they get to problem solve.
Students in the 800 Café, especially when it's their turn to be managers, we learn how to event plan. We learn that there's a lot more that goes into managing a restaurant than just food and people. We learn how to decorate, we learn how to cook exotic foods, and we learn how to lead large groups of people, order supplies, and manage finances.
Participating in the 800 Café is an extraordinary way to get real-life experience that you wouldn't be able to get from a textbook.
The 800 Café is really neat because the students design their menu, the students design their recipes, and all recipes are tested before we serve the actual meal.
I think the 800 Café allows us to learn and then apply in a controlled environment where we can still ask questions. We have the freedom to make mistakes without too much repercussion and be able to learn from them before we're out into the real world.
A lot of our students end up with careers in corporate wellness, helping employees to stay well, and because they finish our program after having run a restaurant, they could also land a career in food service management.
These hands-on experiences are important for future careers because even if we choose not to go into a career in food service, the skills that we learn here in the 800 Café will be beneficial for any career that we choose in the nutrition world.